Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. No member of a cooperative society, expelled under subsection 1 or subsection 2 shall be eligible for readmission as a member of that society for a period of 2 years from the date the resolution or order of expulsion takes effect, and shall further be not eligible to hold any office under that society, or to seek election to its committee of management for a period of 3 years from the date of his readmission as a member, full stop, para. Subject to the provisions of this act and the rules, the final authority of a cooperative society shall vest in the general body of its members in general meeting, full stop, provided that, in such circumstances as may be prescribed, the final authority shall vest in the delegates of such members elected in the manner prescribed and assembled in general meeting, and in such case all references in this act, the rules or the bylaws to the general body and general meetings shall be deemed to be references to the body consisting of such delegates of members and to the general meeting of such delegates, full stop, para. The management of every cooperative society shall vest in a committee of management constituted in accordance with this act, the rules and the bylaws, which shall exercise such powers and perform such duties as may be conferred or imposed by this act, the rules and the bylaws, full stop. The terms of every committee of management shall be 5 years, and the terms of elected member the committee of management shall be coterminous with, full stop. The provisions of clause A shall apply also to a committee of management in existence on the date of the commencement of the Uttar Pradesh Cooperative Societies within bracket Amendment Act, 2013 add to the elected members of such committee, full stop, para. Election to the reconstitute the committee of management of every cooperative society shall be completed in the prescribed manner under the superintendent's control and direction of the election commission at least 15 days before the expiry of the terms of the committee of management, and the members so elected shall replace the committee of management whose term expires under subsection 2, full stop, para. Provided that where the election commission is satisfied that the circumstances exist which render it difficult for it to hold the election on the date fixed, it may be postpone the election, and the proceedings with reference to the election shall commence afresh in all respects, full stop. It shall be the duty of the secretary of the managing director of the cooperative society, as the case may be, to send to the election commission 4 months before the expiry of the terms of the committee of management, a requisition for conducting the election, and to furnish all such information as may be required by the election commission within such period as may be fixed by it, full stop, para. A cooperative society may have as many members in its committee of management as may be provided in the bylaws, but an apex society may have its committee of management subject to a maximum of 70 members, a central society may have its committee of management subject to a maximum of 15 members, and every other cooperative society may have its committee of management subject to maximum of 13 members, full stop. Any other committee of management, and in no case such committee or subcommittee shall consist of more than 7 members, full stop, para. Provided that in the committee of management for every cooperative society 4 seats shall be reserved, for which one shall be for the person belonging to the scheduled castes or the scheduled tribes, comma, one shall be a person belonging to the other bracket classes of citizens, and two shall be for the women, full stop, over.